First Maths times 3 division test, Group A. I am Peter, and I will be asking you questions about dividing using the 3 times table. You have 5 seconds to answer each of these questions. It will automatically move on to the next question after this time. Question 1. 21 divided by 3 equals. Question 2. 3 divided by 3 equals. Question 3. 30 divided by 3 equals. Question 4. 9 divided by 3 equals. Question 5. 15 divided by 3 equals. Question 6. 24 divided by 3 equals. Question 7. 0 divided by 3 equals. Question 8. 33 divided by 3 equals. Question 9. 18 divided by 3 equals. Question 10. 27 divided by 3 equals. Question 11. 6 divided by 3 equals. Question 12. 36 divided by 3 equals. Question 13. 12 divided by 3 equals. Here are the answers. You have 10 seconds to swap over your papers. Here are the answers. Number 1 is 7. 2 is 1. 3 is 10. 4 is 3. 5 is 5. 6 is 8. 7 is 0. 8 is 11. 9 is 6. 10 is 9. 11 is 2. 12 is 12. 13 is 4. Well done, you have completed the test. If you liked this video, please like the video down below. If you wish to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel so you will know when I will upload the next maths video. Have a great day. Bye.